June 2023, the Greece boat tragedy, leaving 207 Pakistanis on board dead. December 2024, another boat to Greece with more than 75 Pakistanis on board, leaving 25 Pakistanis dead in that tragedy as well. Then comes the January 2025 Marrakesh tragedy, where a boat near Morocco had collapsed in the sea, leaving more than 20 Pakistani nationals dead. And then comes the April 2026 Libya boat tragedy, again when more than 25 Pakistanis were dead in the tragedy. But what do these statistics imply? What would be its consequences? And what has the government of Pakistan planned and execute in order to curb and eradicate such illegally migrating boats that end up being tragedies? Keeping in consideration that a total of 335 Pakistani nationals had died in these boat tragedies over the course of 4 years, keeping in view that these boat tragedies happened in Mediterranean seas near Morocco, Libya, Greece, while individuals were migrating illegally, this had prompted a reaction from the government of Pakistan. And that reaction came in the form of a heavy crackdown, as Federal Investigation Agency was ultimately authorized and directed to ensure proper screening and scrutiny over the individuals and their documentation, whoever is traveling to Americas or Europe. This crackdown had led to 39,786 cases of offloading. You have heard it right. Around 40,000 passengers were offloaded over the course of 3 years by Federal Investigation Agency, out of which more than 20,000 passengers were offloaded solely due to the discrepancies in their documentation, and more than 12,000 passengers were offloaded because either they had the low profile or they did not have adequate funds to sponsor their international trip or travel. Thus, these cases depict heavy scrutiny not only from the Federal Investigation Agency of Pakistan in particular, but a strong reaction by the government of Pakistan in general as well. Thank you.